How to use live caption on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on accessibility. You will see accessibility is here, so click on accessibility. Now here, so click on hearing enhancement. So after click on hearing enhancement, you will see showing you live caption. So after click on live caption, so if you want to use, so if you want to turn on live caption, so turn on this button, you will see live caption is turned on. So if you want to turn off live caption, so turn off this button, you will see live caption is turned off. So you will turn on or turn off live caption from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can use live caption on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.